So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how can we create a beautiful design of forms for our registration system. So today we are mainly talking about HTML, basic HTML and basic CSS with bootstrap. So we have studied how can we run PHP in an online server and fundamental of PHP and some basic about database. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch it because it will help you a lot in further tutorial. So let's get started. So first of all, I like to recommend a best site to study a programming and web development. So it's the w3school.com, and it's very nice, guys. And some of our students told me that they are suffering from a low data, so I have a idea for them. So I have one file, w3school.com. I have got it from internet, so I will send you all who have dropped their email address in my post. So this is a zip file in which this website, all the files of this website is content. So you can see it like this when it will be extracted. So when we open index.html, we see the same interface over here, and here are many things you can learn from here. Offline, it's offline, so you can also continue as online. So if you are firstly this is our simple format for creating HTML, and for running this, we can simply create open Notepad or Sublime Text or Notepad Plus. Okay, for this tutorial I like to open Sublime Text because it is very good editor. So this is the program, I mean script. It's not a program, it's a script, guys. So this is the basic requirement of the HTML document. Okay, so this is a body file. So I will show you something. If you write hello, it's missing something. Okay, so guys, this is the basic structure of the HTML, and this is a title. If I put hello over here and hello world over here, let's save it and watch it how it will look like. So Control S, I like to save it in our desktop. So test.html, please put its name as .html, it is very much important. All files. Okay, so here is our web page created. So open it and see, this is our title. Okay, this thing appear over here, this is our title which we keep here. If we put title, then it will show like this. And this is a body part, this is our body part. Okay, every script which we kept under the body tag, it will appear over here. Okay guys, so this is the basic things. And HTML body, HTML, this thing which comes under these two symbols, it's known as a tags. Okay, and there is another things called attribute. Suppose background. Okay, background is a attributes. Okay, background is called to wait, then background okay, this is an attribute. Busy color, so this is a attribute. So this busy color is a attributes which display the the style of this thing's body. Okay, now I like to talk about CSS. You can check it out over here, HTML elements. Okay, these are editors, basics, elements. There are different elements as I just want to talk about important one. Okay, so this is a head. This is a heading, means it will look like this. This is a heading, it will look like this. And this is a paragraph. Okay, this is a paragraph. And there are 6 type of headings from as 1 to as 6. So let me show you. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 type of headings over here. Save it. So with the increasing number of heading, its size also decreases. Now you can see there are 6 type of heading and a single type of paragraph. There are different type of tags which indicates the text forms. I will talk it in HTML5 tutorial, which will come after this series, this event. So this is a body paragraph, and the thing is, suppose if let's article, okay, let's copy one article. Okay, this is the article. Suppose for example, this is just a sentence. If we put a big article over here, okay, then it will look like this. What if I want to break this paragraph in this font? then there are two options, whether you have to create a two paragraph, or you can simply put br tag for that. Okay, save it, see that. Or you can also do that, you can also create a new paragraph tag over here. See, it will look like this. So this is all about headings and paragraphs and break the line tag. And okay, now let's talk about other things. Now I have already talked about an attribute, but there are different type of attributes over there. There are some of the attributes are given here. This is the tag. Tag and a half is a attributes which help us to link to HTML files. Okay, suppose let's copy this. Suppose let's make a new one, Ctrl S, and new dot html. Okay, save it. Okay, guys, this is new. Okay, save it. If I like to connect this page with this, then I just simply go over here and put that tag and put the name, location of it. If they are in a same folder or same location, you can just write its name. Or if they are in different folder, then you have to specify its location, full location. Okay, suppose now let's run it. This is a link. Whenever we click this, yeah, this is new. So, and you can find out here, this is new.html. So this is how you can link to pages. So let's talk about another. And there are many things, and we can also add an image. Okay, so let's add one image. And for the image, you can also just suppose I like to keep the image of this one, copy it and put in the same location. Or you can simply go in a property and copy the URL, but I will suggest you to put them in the same folder so that it will be easy, same location or same folder, so it will be easy to run it. So I'll just copy its name. Let me see properties. Let me see its property. It's png. Suppose guys, if it was a jpeg file, then you have to put jpeg over here. Okay, over here. So it is w.png. If it was jpeg, so you have to put jpeg. Okay, so when we run it so you can see the picture in web page. See, this is how you put the image in a web page. Now I will show you how can we manage the size. Okay, for the size you can simply type width. I would like to put it at 400 pixel and height of 500 pixel. Okay, it will definitely. Okay, this is how it look like when it will be fixed in 5 by 5 pixel. Okay, now let me show you something more, and this is how you can put the images in your web page. So let's see other things. So these are the attributes over here. You can simply visit this site, or I will send you a file. And okay, headings over here, I show you how it look like. I show this is type part of CSS. I'll show you, and paragraph, and this is it. Okay, now this is a basic. Now our basic tutorial on HTML ends here. Now let's talk about CSS. For the CSS, we have to create one tag over here. That tag name is style, or you can add external source file of CSS. I'll show you the both method, so it will be very helpful in learning Bootstrap. So please watch it carefully. So if I want to change the color of this H1, there are two ways: using HTML and using CSS. I like to show you using CSS. Okay, for CSS you just have to do like this: H1, okay, color. Make sure you put this quote between this. Okay, now color is called to WSIT white. Save it. Let's see. So you can see the changes over here. And if you want to increase the font size, then F and font size. Okay, font size is called to, I like to 50 pixel. Then you can see the changes over here. Okay, this is how you can change the font size, and you can also change the font style. Font style over, I like to choose one font styles from here. Styles. So font style Arial, I think. Let it do it for all. Italic, okay. You can just change it as italic or bold. Suppose if I do it bold, then you can see the changes over here. see the thing, you can see the change over here. So this is how we can work with the fonts with CSS. You can also choose a font, anti-font, family, okay, Arial, okay. So there are different font family, you can check it out over here. So I'm skipping it because it will be a long video and boring, so let's leave it. So in this way you can work with the this HTML tags. You can also do it same with a paragraph or any other text. See, we can do same with a paragraph, or you can just do it same with the paragraph. And there is another way to do this. If we put dot text and we put class and put the same thing over here but not dot, then it will perform same property over here. So in this way you can reuse this function over and over in different tags. Suppose if I like to use same function in S3, then I can just do it by putting class and text. Okay, see, this is how you can do it. Okay, now I'll show you the margin. What is the margin? Suppose if I want to move this in a center, there or here, up, down, wherever I want, then for that you have to put a margin left. For margining left, I like to put margin left for 100 px. Control S, then you can see it will shift 100 pixel away from here. So you can also margin top, margin top, okay, margin top for 100 px. See, it is shifted down over 100 px downward from the top. So in this way you can place these things, place the tags, and you can also use same thing with the image. Suppose if I want to do this with the image, then simply go in an image and put a new attribute class and put the class name attribute text. Okay, now you can see this. So this is where you can place the different things over the HTML page. Connecting CSS file is that create a new file and save it as style or whatever you want .css. okay, and please save it in the same file where you have saved these two files. Okay, and for now, and put this all files codes over in CSS file, save it, and over here remove this and link real style street, or type, or you can just link a herb style style.css. okay, style.css, then you can see the difference over here. So you can see the difference over here. Now this is the way you can connect the files. Now let's this. So this is the thing, and there are different thing over CSS, and I will show it you in its advanced tutorial. I'm just covering it for showing you how can we use bootstrap for our form. So let's in our CSS basic. This is a CSS basic. You try to learn, practice, and more, and please comment the question whatever you want, what the problem you have. Okay, so let's quit. This is the basic of CSS. I'll show you more in a further in its original part. Okay, so now the main things, the main tags and attributes we'll require in this tutorial is heading h1, okay, and button, please put it like this, button, div, and a half, and this, and also style, and link. Okay guys, I will show you how to use these tags. Okay, I showed you how to use this. Okay, so this is hello, and button. If you click on button, and so click, then see, you can see the button over here, clickable button. Okay, clickable button. And div is nothing, just a block. It's just a block. Okay, suppose I like to hello everyone, hello pro learners. Okay, if I put it here, yeah, it's just like a paragraph, for it's is in a form of block. If I put a border is equal to 1 solid solid id, just 1, then style bo border is equal to 1 solid solid red red. Okay, one px. Okay, you can see this is a block, and you can see the part of the block over here. And what I did is that style is also can be used as an attribute. You can just put style and put the css coding over here and put the style of the different tags and you can do with arf style and over. So I showed you how to link this thing and how to use this thing and how to use this thing. So what I didn't have show you is that this button and div, which is most essential in this tutorial. Okay, you must understand these two things. And another one is form. This is the thing which is essential for creating the form. Okay, form. Between the form there is one main component tag, that is input. Okay, input may have different types. Suppose input, like I like to give it as a simply text, text text, and name as a name. Okay, just a name. See, this is the input. Now you can type here over here. So you can give different inputs according to your needs. Okay, so it will appear like this. You can just put it by separate it by putting PR. Okay, see that. So before input, if you put name slash roll number, okay, then it's seen like this. Okay, this is essential for making a form. And there are different roll number as a number. If you put as a number, you can write the number. Okay, you can click over there. See this is the thing. And you can also put this thing as a password. If you do that, whenever you type, it's like this. See? And I have showed you how to create a button, and you can this over here for further. Or for the button, you can just do it like this. You can also do like this. Input type sub MIT Summit. see, you can do like this. So this is the essential tags which is required in our further tutorial. Okay, so you can put different things. Suppose if you can put this whole form in a div, but you cannot put this thing in between a paragraph. You can put it, but it will just affect the text, not whole form. See this. Okay, so this is the way you can create a block, and div plays very responsible. Div is plays vital roles for many things, for creating a responsive site in our future video. So go to the bootstrap. For the bootstrap, you just need to go to the get bootstrap.com, and you can see you can use it in two ways. You can use it offline by downloading it, and use it online. For now, I like to use it online. So you can see the instruction over here. This is the basic things. Copy it and paste it in let's remove all of these things. So let me explain these things. Okay, these are the code. Okay, these are the code which will link the CSS style and JavaScript scripts, which will be very helpful to make your site web page responsive and mobile friendly. Okay, so let's save it. It's nothing, it's just a link to that source file. Suppose I linked the file as a something style.css last time. So as in the same way, it is an online place where it is getting this thing. So let's save it. Let's see how it look like, what the change will be appear. Okay, see how good is it, how good it is looking. See the difference over here. See the difference over here. See how beautiful it's looking. Just heading. Now you can do many things from it. There are many options over here. Okay, so suppose if I go in the content, components, then you can find different things. Suppose this is the all artworks. Okay, and this is the link colors, methods of HTML/JS. I'll talk about later. Badges, something like this, and different things you can was here. Buttons. Okay, buttons. So let's make something using this. So firstly, I like to make a registration form. So let's do it. For that, let's go over here and search for form. Okay, forms. Okay, you can see different style of form over here. You can edit yourself by using HTML. So that I teach you a basic HTML. Basic HTML is enough for doing this. So let's copy this. It will look like this. Okay, or you can use this one, or you can choose a different one, whichever you like. I like to choose that simple one. So let's create a registration form using this. Okay, you can see like this. This is a complete thing, so I like to copy this form. Okay, you can just simply click in a copy, so it will copy and put in a body area. Okay, save it. These are nothing, just a div and a tags. Save it. And let's run it. So you can see the form over here, appearance of form, email, fast food, address, and you can just put different things by putting this whole copy it. I'll put a name, FIRST, first name, first name, last name, and change it and put name. This is just a name, you can put anything you like. Last first. Okay, placeholder as same thing. Save it. Let's run it so you can see the different guys. So you can use a head over here, LOG and login, FORM form, not login, registration, REGIST, create create an account. Okay, let's save it. Look, it should look like this. So it's sign in. Let's change it. Let's change it into sign up. Okay, so see, our registration form is ready. Let's customize about this using some layers. Let's understand some layouts over here. Grid, this grid is very important. So you can see this is the widget. If you like this type of placement of your web of your form or content, then use this type of thing, and I like to use this. It's great. Control C, before the form. Okay, see, div, save it. This is right things, right, and this is left. This is left side. Suppose was this out, guys. Thing is that every content, every script you put in this area will display in this area, and every content, each and every content which you put in this area will come in this over here. Okay, so this is the thing. So I like to put this thing, okay, this thing over this area, I think this thing over this area. So let's do it. So it's here, I kept it in the middle area. Okay, so let's, and break the line. So let's not do this. I think we should do this. STYLE. In this way also you can put the style script. So style, margin left, okay, and 400 pixel fix, okay. Don't forget to put the semicolon at last and colon in here. Okay, it is equivalent to equal to, and it is equivalent to full stop. Okay, oh my god, what happened, what just happened? I forgot to put double quoted. So this will happen when you miss a single quote. So this is very important, guys. Please watch it carefully. So I'll remove this right and left to give it proper look, just for understanding. And this is a comment. Oh, not this is not comment. Okay, I'll talk to you about comment later. So let's remove it. Let's remove it. Okay, save it. Okay, this is it. Now our sign up form is ready. Now let's make a login form. Okay, just Control and copy them all, copy and paste them, and we have to remove something. Let's remove address and all the stuff. Okay, we remove this. Let's remove first name and last name too. save it as login dot st. And save it. Let's see how it look like. Okay, it's look like this. Very bad, very bad. So as so like make it from the beginning. Okay, let's remove this thing up middle, all things forms. Okay, now this is a left part, right part, this is a left part, and this is a right part, and this is the middle part. So let's see which is the best. Forms over here, components. Forms. I personally like here was one very beautiful. I personally like this thing, so let's copy this. I can simply copy this and paste it over here and save it. Let's see how it look like. Okay, it's look like this. Now let's remove this radio button. I just don't like to put a radio button over here. Okay, this is the radio button. Okay, remove this. Save it. Okay, now two more. Now this, remove it, and let's remove it. So let me see how can I remove this. Okay, so it still exists. Now it's gone, and our login form is also ready. Okay, our login form is also ready. Now let's link this both side. Okay, where is our button? Here's our button. After the button, sign I don't have a have test dot html to link it. And sign up. Okay, let's do it. Let's sign up appear over here. I don't have ECCOU and account. Then it will show like this. Then sign up. If you click on this, it will appear. Now let's do same for going in the login. So let's go in the tested HTML. Let's copy the same code. Copy it. Okay, and go over here. After the button, I have account and sign in and login.html. Login.html. Okay, save it, reload it. Yes, now you get this. Okay guys, this is it, and our tutorial on learning HTML, CSS and bootstrap and creating a simple, good looking, mobile responsive, mobile friendly web page has been created. So thank you guys. In next video I'll show you how can we make it functionable with PHP. Okay, so thank you guys, have a great day.